Hi everyone, today is day 14 and today we're going to do another PSI reading on these two concrete samples that I have. That one right there is the dry poured concrete and that one right there is the regular mixed concrete. So if you have not seen my first video on this series, I encourage you to watch it so that you can see how we prepare the two samples. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to test the wet pour first and we're going to use this concrete rebound hammer tester. Okay, so for this one, we got test 1, 30, and then we got a 28, 25, 24, 30, 28, 26, 30, 30, 28, for a total of 279. So the average is 27.9 times 145 because the megapascal or the Newton meter per millimeter is equal to 145 psi. So we multiply this number by 145. On day 14, we already have 4,045 psi. Just to let you know, this concrete is rated 4,500 psi. We are now almost there after day 14. So we'll see if we'll be able to get to 4,500 psi by next week or by the next 2 weeks. So let's go ahead and test the dry pour concrete. Okay, so let's go ahead and start testing this. We're gonna go to the parts that we did not test before. Test number 1, test number 2, test number 10 is another 20. Okay, so this is the result for our test today. So we got 14, 18, 16, 16, 20, 20, 18, 17, 20, 20 for a total of 179. And we got the average of that. So 179 divided by 10 is 17.9. That's the average is in megapascal. So multiply that by 145 to get the actual PSI reading. We come up with 2,595 psi. So you can see right now, last week it was 1,841 psi. Day 14, it's already at 2,500 psi, almost 2,600 psi. So hopefully by day 21 and day 28, I'm hoping the dry pour concrete will reach at least 3,000 psi. So we'll see that in the next 7 days. But I just want you to do a comparison here. So this is the wet pour that is over there, and this is the dry pour right here. So during day 7, the wet pour got 2,900 psi. The dry pour only got 1,841 psi. And on day 7, the dry pour is 2,595 psi, which is still lower than the 7 days of the wet pour. I hope that today's video is helpful to you. If you're interested to see how day 21 and how day 28 or day 30 would look like, please make sure to click the subscribe button and the notification bell icon so that you can get notified once I uploaded those videos. And again, thank you for watching.